this is part 2 of my Disney series where I'm taking you through everything from packing for Disney to being in the Disney park to ending with what I bought in Disney. So today's video is part 2. Make sure that you go back and check out part 1 where I packed my makeup. So if you're interested, then let's go ahead and jump right in and get to packing. Everything that I need to pack in my Toiletries bag is laid out in front of you. Now, there are a few things that I won't be able to pack until it gets closer to time because I am still using them, but this is going to be the majority of everything that I need to pack, so I need to go ahead and get this ready. Everything that you see here needs to fit into this one bag. Now, if you're interested in this bag, I did haul this when I got it from Amazon. I will have that video linked for you, but for now, let's go ahead and start getting this packed. So in this front portion here, I do have some feminine items in there, just kind of thrown in there, but the majority of what we are going to pack today is going to be in this middle portion. So let's get that done. We're going to turn it because this is more like a weekend style bag that you can hang up in the bathroom. So if there's like a towel rack or something, you do have this hanger. Both of these flaps do open and they each have their own storage. But we'll get to that in just a second. Let's start here in the middle. I know in this pouch, I want to get mainly those bottles that I had laid out because I have these mesh compartments here, but I also have some here, and I'm going to put some of the travel size products in this portion. This one here does have 2 zipper compartments. You have this main flap here, then you have this small little mesh compartment here. And we're going to make the most out of all of this. This is everything that I need to get into this compartment area. This is another kit that I bought from Amazon. Again, it's in that same video where I hauled this. So I will, again, have that link for you. Let's go ahead and start getting these in here. I want to start at this end with these bottles that have this little push nozzle on them. Hopefully this right here is a little safety. That way you don't have a mess everywhere. That's going to be my shampoo and conditioner. And those fit rather nicely. That, for them to not be sold together, I think that fits pretty well. I don't know if maybe that's just a standard travel size. Lotion and body wash. I think I want to put the lotion over to this side. And when I say lotion, that is my moisturizer. And then body wash here in the middle. Now those, as you can see, are a little smaller. Then I have 2 spray bottles. I don't plan on spraying this, but this is one of my hair gels. And then the other one is a heat protectant. So I want to put these 2 in the middle. Then I have these 2 little pods. One is going to be makeup remover. One is a leave-in hair product. The majority of this is going to be hair product because I have naturally curly wavy hair and it doesn't just get ready on its own. It has to have some assistance. But that looks pretty good so far. So let's go ahead and get some of those other containers in this compartment. So these are the products that I want to put in this area here. I have a facial sunscreen. I have a travel size of a hair gel, some dry shampoo, a toothbrush, and some toothpaste. One thing I do like about this, I prefer this side, the way that it has this kind of U-shaped zipper as opposed to this straight across. I like the movement. I like how you have more access on this side. I think I'm going to start with the bottles on this end. Those are a little bulkier, but it seems to be okay. I think I'm going to put this dry shampoo down here because I have some more things I might want to put up here. So I think I'm going to put this one here. And then stick the toothbrush, which that packaging is a little long. There we go. And then the toothpaste. Now, as you can see over here, I have these wet wipes. I'm going to actually put those in this compartment. I did go on Walmart's website and buy a large pack of these, mainly because they're not individually wrapped. They come in packs of 20, but that way you don't have that big bulk of a usual wet wipe container. You have these little packs that I can just throw in my part bag each day. There is enough room for these. They are a little bulky, but they were able to zip. It looks like it's still going to zip here. We'll see once we finish getting everything together if everything actually zips, but for now it looks okay. Next, I have some Q-tips, some ponytail holders, and bobby pins, and a fingernail file. Funny story, went in that Amazon haul where I got the travel products and this case, also bought new fingernail files for this trip. And out of everything that I've bought, these are the ones that I can't find. So I'm having to use an older one, but I don't know what happened to the new ones. They're gone, not to be found. So this is what I would think I want to put in here because it is a little bulky. All right, so that fit pretty well. I think this fingernail file and these hair accessories, I'm actually going to put in one of these zipper portions. Let me scoot this down. So this zipper portion is divided into 2 zippers. They are very shallow zippers though, and that I think will be perfect for these hair accessories in that fingernail file. All I have left at the moment are these band-aids. Now these are going to be like blister band-aids, and then these are waterproof band-aids. I have to be careful when it comes to band-aids. I'm not allergic to latex, but it's the adhesive on band-aids. For whatever reason, my skin does not react well to the adhesive of band-aids or like stickers. These waterproof ones from NextCare are the only ones that I can use because they do not mess with my skin. These band-aid ones, again, are blisters. It'd be interesting to see how I react to those, being I have never used them before. So we'll see. But I'm going to put those in this second zipper compartment here. That is everything that I'm going to be able to pack for now. Again, I have a few more hair products and things that I'm still using that I can't pack yet. But this is going to be the majority, the bulk of everything. So we're going to go ahead and zip everything back up and see if it will close. Maybe if I use the right zipper, we could do this. So just kind of an overview here. Have mainly hair products, body wash, that sort of thing. More hair products, toothpaste, Q-tips, band-aids, hair accessories, and wet wipes. So far it closes in nicely. There's a little bit of bulk, but I think this, it is made for toiletries. I think there's a little bit of give, a little bit of stretch to it. So we got all of that in this one bag, and there's still room for more. Thank goodness, because like I said, I have a few more things I need to pack. For the majority of things, this is it, and for now, we're good. All right, so that was quite fun. I had to make sure that we packed those essentials, not for just a Disney trip, but for any trip. So go back and check out part 1 where I did pack my makeup. Hope that you'll subscribe, that way you will be here for part 3 where I pack everything, hopefully in just one suitcase. I really want you to take this Disney journey with me. Be there through highs, lows, whatever this journey may bring. If you haven't seen part 1, don't worry, I'll pop it on the screen here for you. That way you can go check that one out, and I hope to see you in the next video.